Hi, welcome to Laura's Fundora. So I'm taking a picture from one of my favorite movies and I'm going to try and replicate it and try and pose how the person's posing and have all the stuff in the background and also show you how I make the costume and stuff. So today's movie that I've chosen one scene from is one of my favorites. I grew up watching it with my grandma. I grew up just loving it and singing the songs. It's a musical. It's My Fair Lady. And anyway, so the scene that I want to kind of replicate, I'll show here. It's her holding a celery stalk and sitting on, it looks like lettuce behind her or some sort of garbage leftover lettuce, and like a cage thing that holds it. Not a cage, but like a carriage sort of thing that holds it. And she's got this black top hat, short top hat on, a jacket, scarf, and she's just looking kind of like... So I'm gonna show ya how to make the hat. Alright, so for this project you'll need felt. It's pretty stiff black felt, and some black fabric, some paper to trace out the pattern, and some of this wire. This is like hanging wire, but I found it's probably the best wire to use for making hats. So let me show you the picture of the hat. Okay, so you can see that it's like a really shallow top hat and pretty wide to cover her froofy hair. Okay, so back to this pattern thing. So I got a bowl in my head and I kind of liked how wide it was of the bowl, and I put it down on paper, traced it, and cut it out. Then what I did is I measured out my head with the wire. So this wire fits where I want the hat to sit on my head. I just kind of laid it down, also traced it a little bit smaller because we're going to be cutting this to fit the wire. And cut that out as well. So that's the bottom part of the brim. And then this is going to be the top part of the hat. I also kind of just found a bowl shape that I liked, that I think matches the wide top that she has. Traced it, cut it out. Then I measured out about 2 inches strip and I wrapped it around my head to make kind of around the same spot the wire is gonna go or whatever. Cut it out, taped it where I wanted it, and that's going to be the height of the hat. So we've got the 3 pieces of the pattern, and we've got 1 piece of wire so far. So you'll want to make another loop for the edge of the brim, and then you're going to make one for the top part of the hat. And since this is such a short top hat, you probably won't need a wire for the middle part, because this part is just so stiff. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to cut out the felt. Just going to cut in half. Cut that in half and that in half. Okay, so you're going to just overlap these 2 parts of the brim. Just slightly overlap them. Just ever so slightly, and then you're going to zigzag quite a bit, this part and this part. Then on the height, you're going to do the same. You're going to zigzag so it's one long strip. Alright, so the hat is finished. Now I just need to put it on and do my hair and makeup. Okay, for my hair, I just brushed it really fuzzy. Because in the picture, you can see her wisps of hair. And then I bobby pinned it all up and like made it really bushy on the sides. Then for the makeup, I just got brown eyeshadow and just splotted it on my face. Anywhere, you know, to make it look like she's been through a lot.
I'm going to set up the stage now, and then I'm going to pose, and then I'm going to take a picture of me in this outfit. I think I did my hair pretty good. I might want to clip my hair up. Yeah, that looks like it should be right? Yes. So after this, you're going to want to take your hair and you want to clip it up on the head, like so. Oh yeah, that is definitely Mrs. Doolittle. Oh yeah, Mrs. Doolittle, that's totally me, Mrs. Doolittle. Oh yeah. We're gonna just take this forward. I'm Mrs. Doolittle. I am. My children think I'm crazy. Well, that's okay. I'm Mrs. Doolittle. How do you do?
Okay, then I set up the place. I used some wood slabs that I had around, kind of a basket area where I put the lettuce. And then I just got dressed and took a picture and I'm all ready.
Oh, I hope you like this video of how I made this Doolittle hat. And thanks for watching, and please, push that button, subscribe button to my channel. Anyways, thanks for watching. Professor Higgins, you better watch out. I ain't gonna come for you right now, but I might come for you tomorrow, or the next day, or the next day. But just you wait, Professor Higgins. Just you wait. All I want is a room somewhere far away from the cold night air, with one enormous chair. Oh, wouldn't it be lovely? Lots of chocolate for me to eat. Lots of coal making lots of heat. Warm hands, warm face, warm feet. Oh, wouldn't it be lovely? Okay.